Elite VR. So I just received it from SoftClues and I'm unboxing it right now. So let's see what we have got. Okay, so here it is. This is the actual box that we have for Swipe Elite VR. Now the VR stands for virtual reality, so which means we will have some kind of VR equipment here. So let's see what we have got here. Let's open it. So this is sealed. Okay, so here it is. I just want to focus on this kind of VR. It looks like a projection lamp maybe. So the box itself contains the VR, and here are the directives how to use the VR. So you need to place your phone here and it will be projected on your wall or somewhere wherever you want. Okay, so here is a phone, guys, that we have got. Wow, it's really a good looking. This color is also good, and at the same time it's a 5.5 inch HDS IPS screen, so definitely it has got a good shape. And also here is a 3000 mAh battery. Separately, now we'll see how to place the battery in this. And what else we have the charger adapter, we have the data cable or the charger cable, and we have got the warranty cards type of and we also got a screen guard. So definitely we need to fix the screen guard as well, but before we do that we'll try to turn on the phone. Okay, so let's try to turn on the phone now. Okay, so here it is. Here is a phone and the SIM 1 and SIM 2 slots and the memory card slots that we have. We will try to place, and this is VoLTE LTE, so you know it can support Geo SIM, so which is good as well. So now let's try to place the battery and try to power on. I have got one SIM as well. It's not a 4G SIM, but I will just try to on. Okay, so we are trying to place the battery. You can see that we have placed the battery, and also we have placed one SIM, and see what happens next. The rear camera has got 13 megapixel and the front one has got 5 megapixel. Okay, it comes with the welcome screen. So it's the first time setup. Insert SIM cards. Not sure how. Check the instructions. Uh, let's press the skip button. I remember I pressed a SIM card, but it was not a VoLTE SIM or LTE 4G SIM card. Let's see what happens with the regular SIM card. It seems like the tower has already come. Okay. Okay, Wi-Fi. The phone do not have internet connection. I don't need internet as of now, but definitely for checking we can give you Wi-Fi access. So adding your name that allows your phone to personalize some apps. So I'm just adding the name last name. Then protect your device that requires pin pattern. Next, not required. Let me press. I don't. Okay, I have to give a screen lock. Okay, so I have to give a screen lock. So I'll go with. Okay, so we're in the main Android screen here, and the screen really looks very clean, and the touch is also good. So it has got Android 6. So okay, so trying to turn on the Wi-Fi and check internet connection. So it's connected to Wi-Fi, so we'll just open few apps and check how is this internet speed and stuff. O- Okay, guys, so here it is. It is quite fast and it is good app, and it seems like everything is good in this phone. Bye.